Now, before we commence with the actual proceedings regarding this, I would ask if there were any ex parte communications that must be disclosed regarding this matter, whether with the applicants, the city of Miami Beach, or anything else by the members of the board.
Richard Siegel, I spoke with Mr. Galbett, and Mr. Galbett also did a presentation in front of the Board of Governors at the Miami Beach Chamber of Commerce, which I sit on.
Okay.
Good morning. I'd like to disclose once again that I had a communication with Mr. Galbett, and he discussed the nature of the presentation that's coming before the board today.
And I would like to disclose that the applicant's attorney, Ron Lowy, and I share space, but we have never discussed this matter.
My name is Andres Sacion. I'd like to discuss that I am friends with Russell Galbett, and I've done business with him in the past with a project back with that he was a partner with Related Group, and I've done work with Terra Group as well. He did present the project as well to me, but I have no issues with being independent with my opinion on the matter.
I've had no communication from Mr. Galbert or any of his associates in this matter. As Mr. Galbert and I served together many years ago on the zoning board, and he knows my opinion on that, that I always felt that it was not appropriate for me to discuss a matter until we're here in the open before a public hearing. I will tell you, however, that my family and the Galbert family have known each other for 77 years. My father at one time worked for Mr. Galbert's uncle many, many years ago, over 50 years ago, I guess. And there's been a relationship there for years. But Mr. Galbert knows full well that I call them as I see them. And as a result, neither he nor any of his associates have contacted me in this matter prior to this hearing today. And I want the audience to know that. Thank you.
Okay, I normally do not speak to applicants before any sort of presentation before any board that I've sat on Miami Beach. In this case, I was contacted by a city commissioner to please listen to what the argument was, and my response was that the applicant could contact me via my email that I have set up with the city, and they did, and I heard from Mr. Galbert his feelings on what he's going to present.
I received a call and an email from the appellant, and which I didn't respond to. So,
are there any other disclosures? No. One follow-up question, Mr. Acion, am I saying that correctly? Are you at present time in any type of financial or any other type of contractual relationship with any member or principal member of the applicant seeking to challenge the decision of the planning director, or will you in any way benefit financially as a result of your relationship with, as you've disclosed?
So the answer is no to the first question. The second question would be just like any other real estate agent, I would benefit on setting any property, but that doesn't, it's not particular to his property.
So there's no specific relationship regarding this specific matter?
No, there's not any contractual or financial relationship regarding this matter.
Other than you're just a real estate agent in the city of Miami Beach?
Correct.
Okay.
And I would like to further disclose that within the past year, I did a small representation of one of Mr. Galbert's companies in circuit court.
All right, can you say that one more time?
Yes, I represented one of Mr. Galbert's companies unrelated to this entity in circuit court.
In circuit court in terms of a legal representation?
Yes.
Okay. Is that representation still ongoing?
No.
Okay. And so at this point in time, is there any financial aspect that you would be receiving as a result of, or any financial benefit that you'd be receiving as a result of your relationship with Mr. Galbert?
No.
Okay. Anyone else?